Recognizing food items that meet the criteria of this program can be really simple with a little background knowledge and education. One of the best resources to recognizing this information is on the food label. Understanding this label can seem overwhelming, but with practice, it can help you recognize these healthy food options to highlight at your food site. In this video clip, we will discuss this nutrition criteria. This information can also be found in full detail in our Create Healthy Choice Pantry Toolkit on our website found at extension.usu.edu/FSCreate. This criteria features common foods broken into categories: fruits and vegetables, grains, protein, dairy, and snack foods. Each of these food groups represent the food groups on the USDA's My Plate diagram. My Plate is the USDA's current symbol, replacing the formerly known food guide pyramid, in an effort to inspire consumers to choose healthier foods at mealtimes, something simpler and more direct than the previous food pyramid. These groups highlight healthy food items within each group. The fruit and vegetable group encourage choices that are whole and with minimal additives. This includes fresh produce, 100% juice, and canned, dried, and frozen options with no hydrogenated oils and low in sodium, sugar, and packed in light syrup or 100% fruit juice. The grain group also has criteria to encourage healthy eating within this group. 100% whole grains listed as the first ingredient, more than 10% daily value, fiber content with less than 10 grams of added sugar. For the protein group, healthy options fall within eggs, nuts, seeds, dried beans, and lentils, and canned varieties lower in sodium, saturated fat, and 0 grams trans fat. Dairy food options highlight unflavored and unsweetened options with reduced fat. Specific numbers again can be found on the item's food label. Snack food options are also important to highlight. Watching calories, fat, sugar, and sodium content can help you identify these healthier choice selections. Becoming familiar with the food guide pyramid on the foods at your food pantry can help you quickly identify these foods and highlight them for your recipients.